going to do a money giveaway in this video. Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down below. Let me know how your day is going. Welcome back to our family. So, if you read from the title, we are going to do our IPSY vs IPSY for the month of September. We're also going to do a money giveaway in this video. So, if you want to see what I got in my IPSYs, does age matter with the profile and how we can win some money, then keep on watching. Alright, so let me tell you a little bit how I do these IPSY vs IPSYs. I've been doing this for a couple years, and the last few months I changed it up. I used to do two totally different profiles to see, does IPSY really go by profiles? So now what I do, I want to see, does age matter? If you're younger or older, depending on what items you get. So I do two of the exact same profile, but two different ages. And I believe it was either last month or the month before the first time I tried doing it. So we'll see if it works again this month. So both of these are for the month of September. So I'll do that. What I started doing last month is I do a lot of giveaways, makeup giveaways on this channel. I enjoy giving back to you guys who support me. But then I was thinking, you know, there's still a lot of people out of work, and I will still keep doing my makeup giveaways. Matter of fact, I do have one in the BoxyCharm video. I'll leave that down below if you want to check that out and try to win some makeup. But I also thought it'd be nice to win some money. So how I do this, well, how I'm going to do it, since last month was the first time, I get paid from YouTube. So I get paid on the 21st of every month, except for if it falls on like a weekend, like a Saturday or a Sunday, then we get paid that Monday, so maybe the 23rd. So what I want to do is give back every month until the end of the year, and if things are still bad, we'll just keep on going until next year. And it depends on how much I get paid from YouTube. So it's about views and ads. The more you watch my ads and the more views I get, the more money that I make. So last month I was able to give away $100. So two people won $50, and I paid them through PayPal. This month I can do $150 because my views were a little bit better last month. YouTube is always like a month behind, you know. But my son, my oldest son, who is 24, he'll be 25 in November. I can't believe it. Anyway, he was like, Mom, I'll make a deal with you. He was like, if you can get 15,000 views on this video, I will donate another $50. So this month, somebody will get, I'm doing $150. So how that's going to work, one person will get 100, the other one will get 50. And if we can get this video to 15,000 views, then a third person will win another $50. So I'll explain that a little bit more in the video and what you have to do to enter. But let's just get right into our IPSY vs IPSY. Alright, so what I usually do for my profile, I say I have black hair, blue eyes, I'm very comfortable with makeup, and then one profile is a 25-year-old, and another one is my real age, which is 44. So let's do my 25-year-old profile and see how they did. Let's see if I can. Alright, so this is what the bag looks like this month. Oh, and this is a $12 a month subscription. So it's all right. It's like corduroy. Guys, remember the corduroys back in the 90s, early 2000s? Anyway, I mean, it's all right, you know. This was on the outside of the bag. So it usually comes with a card. And the theme for this month is good vibes. I did my IPSY Plus already. I'll leave that down below if you want to check that out. Oh my God, so this is the first time. Thank you, IPSY. That now they have each product and it has the prices. Yes, so now I don't have to look on my phone and go back and forth. All right, so the first thing that I'll show you, this was outside of my bag. And this is full size, of course, and this is $23. This is a Shayna B. Miami contour brush, and I love getting brushes. And yeah, it's just a regular contour brush. It's a little soft for me. I like them a little bit more harder. You know, like soft and dense. I don't know how to explain it. Like, I don't like it too hard. But, you know, play around with it. I love getting brushes. And this already pays for the bag. The bag's $12 and this is $23. All right, all right. All right, the next thing is by Dew Tree. This is the Clean Lab AC Dew Foam. So this must be a cleanser. And if this was full size, this would be $32. Holy cow. It says, if you're dealing with breakouts or congestion, this foaming cleanser, yeah, so it is a little sample size for cleanser. It's not filled all the way up, but it's enough that you can get a couple of uses out of here. I think I have these lights too high. All right, I'm still not good with these lights. So it's enough to try it to see if you like it. All right. The next thing we got looks like it's a crown lipstick. And I don't really use these too much. So this is from Mayel Beauty. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. It's a tinted lips in the shade Berry. And let's see. It says the full size would be $9. So I'm going to put this in a future giveaway. What I typically do is, since I do IPSY vs IPSY, anything that I get doubles of or I know I'm not going to use, I put it and fill a bag up, and once the bag is filled, then I do a giveaway with that. So I'll put this in a future giveaway. All right, so this was my choice item. This was a Tarte, the Ego mascara, and it's in the shade black, and it was full size. It would be $23. And then last but not least is, what you be? I have no idea. Oh, this is a hand cream in passion fruit from Le Chalane. I don't even know how to pronounce that. The full size would be $9.50. The full size is 30 mLs. Is this? This is 15 mLs. So it's probably about $4 or something. All right, it has a safety seal. I just want to put some on my hands. I do suffer from kind of like eczema. It's not exactly eczema. It's something else. It has to do with my diabetes. And so it gets dry a lot. So I'll put some there. Ooh, it does smell like passion fruit. I mean, it's not my favorite scent, but it's all right. I'd rather have a little scent than nothing at all for my hand creams. And it feels really good. Now that I'm putting on, it does smell a little bit better. All right, so 25-year-old profile, black hair, blue eyes, and I'm very comfortable with makeup. So let's recap what I got. So we have this little hand cream, which I love that. We have this contour brush. We have a cleanser. I love cleansers, and whatever I don't use, I give to my 16-year-old son because he's starting to get like those little breakouts like right around here. We have like a tinted lip balm crown, which I'll put that in a future giveaway, and a little sample size of mascara. So not too bad. Definitely worth the $12, especially with that brush alone. All right, so let's go over my 44-year-old profile. What did I do with my knife? I just have my knife. All right, let's see if I can open this puppy up. Yeah. All right, so there's nothing on the outside of the bag. So we have the same bag. I hope the card in here has the prices as well, because on my IPSY Plus didn't have the prices on it. All right, so again, September, good vibes. And yes, it does. Oh my God, it's so exciting. It's like you don't realize how good something is until you have it, especially when you do YouTube videos, you know? All right, so let's begin. Okay, so we have another Tarte Ego mascara, and I think I said the full size was what? $23. And I use like between 3 to 4 different mascaras every day to do my lashes, honest to God. So I love getting mascaras because I go through them so quickly. I don't remember what, oh yes I do. I remember what the item I picked. All right, so this is from Verifee. This is a 2020 eye cream. Yes, I love eye cream. And how much you be? How much you be? So if a full size would be $60.38. Holy cow. All right. And there's like nothing in here. Like, oh my God. Nothing hardly in here. But you only need a little bit, so, you know, you get to try it out. The next thing we got is from Real Her. This is Confidence in a Glow. This is a highlighter. And is this full size? Full size is $28. No, this is not full size. But that's all right. This is big enough, I think, that'll last you for a while. All right, I had to cut that tape. Yeah. Oh, this is really good. This is like marble packaging. That's really, really pretty. Yes, it has a nice mirror. Hello. And that's what it looks like. It's very pretty. And with highlighters and blushes and stuff, you know, I'm fine with the sample sizes. This is even would be good for, that's gorgeous. This is even good for like for your lid, your eyes. Oh yeah, that's pretty. I have that lotion on, so I don't know if you'll be able to really see. Put a little bit more on so you can see the color. Yes, that is so pretty. Oh, I'm excited for that. All right, what else? We got 2 more things. Okay, so what I picked was the Pore Professional Hydrate Primer from Benefit, and this puppy's small. We don't like small things on this channel, I'll tell you that all the time. I mean, this is really small. What the heck are you going to do with this? But I do enjoy this. Full size would be, how much? $32. Wow. All right. I mean, this is, you know, enough maybe to use it once or twice. And last but not least is from Purely's. This is a CC cream with SPF 50. This is a vitamin C. And this is pretty filled up, actually. All right, let's see how much this puppy is. Full size would be $38. And this is in the shade Light. So let's do a little swatch and see what shade it is. Just do a very little bit, because there's, you know, this will only last you maybe a couple uses. And as, yeah, this is actually a pretty good match. For some reason, my face is darker, is darker than my hands and my arms. It's the weirdest thing. So I'm usually like a light medium, but this will work because if it's, I'd rather it be too light than too dark because I can always deepen it up with the bronzer. All right, so let's recap really quick what I got in my real age, my 44-year-old profile. So we have this CC cream, which I enjoy CC creams. We have this eye cream, which makes sense because I'm 44. This was my choice item by Benefit, but my God, could you spare some Benefit? This thing is small. We have another mascara, which is good. And what else did I get? Oh, and that highlighter. So I think both bags were good. Let me know down below which bag did you like better, the 44 or the 25-year-old? And do you think they go by the age? Do you think this is good for a 44-year-old and the other one for a 25-year-old? Or do you think it doesn't matter, they don't go by profile? Let me know down below. All right, so let's talk about this money, honey, right here. All right, so I don't usually make these long. Usually when I do my makeup giveaway, try that again, giveaway, I usually have that going on for a couple weeks at least. With the money one, since I want to do it every month and get it out to you, I don't have it that long, you know. So let me look on my calendar really quick. All right, so we're going to start it today. And because then I can replace it when I get paid from YouTube. And we'll have this go to the 24th, exactly 1 week. Yeah, today's the 17th. So that's it. So in 1 week, let's say we can get this video to 15,000 and then we can give away $200. If not, if it's under 15,000, then I will do 150 and I will give the $50 back. No, that's not 50, that's 100. I will give the $50 back to my son. So like I said, right now 150, one person will get 100, the other one will get 50, and if we get to 50,000, then we'll have 3 winners and the other one will get $50 as well. And the only thing you have to do is just be subscribed, because I enjoy giving back to those who support me, because if it wasn't for you guys watching me and if you watch my ads, which really helps me out, I wouldn't be able to make anything on YouTube and I would not be here. So that's why I enjoy giving back to you guys. You have to like this video because it really does help me out, and it only takes a second. And you have to leave a comment because I do a comment picker. So leave the word bag, B-A-G. Leave it in the comment. Do not make it look like too noticeable, because what happens is that people that don't watch it all the way through and they know there's going to be a giveaway, they just go to the end, they listen to what I say, or sometimes they look at the comments and they see everybody writing a certain word. If I can get that out, if I can talk today, then they don't watch it all. So make sure you put something with the word bag in, and that's it. Like I said, we'll have it go for 1 week, and then the next day or the day after. Sometimes I'm a procrastinator, it takes me a couple days, but let me know how I can get a hold of you, because when it comes to money, I want to make sure I can get a hold of you and get it to you right away. And this is how I do it. I prefer PayPal. That way I could just PayPal you money that day. But you can have it any way you want. If you want me to do an e-gift card, if you want me to mail you a gift card, let me know. Like I said, the easiest way is PayPal. So don't forget, make sure you leave a way how I can get a hold of you by your email, if you have Instagram, Twitter, however. And that's everything, guys. Don't forget to let me know what you think about my IPSYs. Do you like the 25-year-old profile or the 44-year-old profile? Which do you like better? And that is everything. Alright, so don't forget, make sure you like this video, subscribe if you like unboxings, mystery boxes, hauls, and also make sure you put your post notification bell on. Make sure that you double tap it and it's on all. That way you get notified for all of my future videos and my upcoming giveaways as well. Alright guys, stay blessed, stay healthy, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! God, I'm a dork. I need to learn how to talk. Learn how to talk, Ann.